Unlock instant PDF access with a simple skin. Let's dive into creating QR codes for your documents. First, head over to your favorite free QR code generator website. There are plenty available online. Just do a quick search for QR code generator. Now, look for the option to create a QR code for a file. Many generators have a dedicated button for PDF or document uploads. Next, upload the PDF file you want to link to the QR code. Just click the upload button and select the PDF from your computer. Personalize your QR code. Most generators offer customization options. You can change the color, add a logo, or select a stylish design to make it stand out. Once you're happy with the design, hit the Generate or Create QR Code button. The website will instantly create your custom QR code. Download your QR code as a high-resolution image, such as a PNG or JPG. This is the file you'll use to share and distribute your PDF. Finally, integrate the QR code into your documents, presentations, posters, or wherever you want people to easily access your PDF. Now anyone can scan the code with their smartphone or tablet and instantly view your document.